Hello and welcome to Railroad Journeys Around the World. There can be few people who don't occasionally dream about escaping from the stress and strain of everyday life to their own relaxing island in the sun. Of course, for most of us, the reality is a compromise with all the family as we search for our ideal annual holiday spot. The answer for many thousands of people from all over Europe is to flock to the Mediterranean islands in search of sunshine, beautiful beaches and distinctive regional cuisine. Surely though, the ideal holiday island would feature all of these things in abundance. But also perhaps an interesting railway network that could be used to explore the island and provide a pleasant diversion from all that sunbathing, swimming and overeating. After viewing this program, you'll be spoiled for choice.